fuel-efficient 32 mpg highway, 22 mpg city. LT trim. Satellite radio, iPod MP3 input, CD player, backup camera, alloy wheels, overhead airbag, heated mirrors. Read more. Key features include heated mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, iPod MP3 input, CD player, MP3 player, keyless entry, privacy glass, steering wheel controls, child safety locks. Experts are saying, the big kid in the compact segment, parsimonious 4-cylinder engine, spacious rear seat, techno goodies, solid field car and driver comm. Great gas mileage, 32 mpg highway. Our offerings, please call 918-272-1101. Ask for Ron Rattray. Classic Chevrolet in Tulsa, OK, also serving Owasso, OK and Muskogee. OK is proud to be an automotive leader in our community. Since opening our doors, Classic Chevrolet has